उसमें वो थियरेटिकली भी अच्छा था, अब तो लग रहा है कि मतलब अभी तो पूरा लाइफ इज टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम, आई मीन एक्चुअल वर्क लाइफ इज टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द subjective knowledge that you have acquired through your courses, right? So our intention is to show you that practically how life is actually different for a social worker rather than just studying the books and getting the marks. I think that is the kind of experience we want to share with you in today's session. Okay? Any questions, any queries before we move forward? And if you that
sir has shared an experience of his that he has had of late. So anything like any such experience that you have had in your life that left an impact on you, and you thought that no, when you passed your class 2, your class 12, and you moved on to think of what I'm going to take for my graduation or for my masters, like what made you think that you want to go into social work? We all have our own stories, yes or no? And there is no language barrier, students face. You can come up and speak in any language that you are comfortable in. Okay? So don't feel shy. I know if you have taken up social work, you are not shy. So যে কোনো এমন কিছু একটা এক্সপেরিয়েন্স যেটা তোমাদের লাইফে একটা ছাপ ফেলেছে, যেমন স্যারের লাইফে এরকম একটা ইনসিডেন্ট আছে। আমি যখন ক্লাস 12 এ পড়ি, I studied in a convent in Khidr